Hello, and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. In this video, I'm going to talk about QuarkLink users and how you can add them to your QuarkLink Ignite instance. Admin users can do anything on the site, upload firmware and create signing keys to be used with photo, for example, whereas contributors are limited to adding devices to a batch and assigning that preloaded firmware to the batch. Contributors cannot upload new firmware or edit IoT hubs. Here you can see I'm logged in as user Admin, and we have access to the firmware and the users. Here's Adam's account with a random generated email, and the role is admin. So we're going to add a new user. So create user, and we're going to use a similar disposable email address for the example here. We're going to use that as our username. First name is going to be Connie, and last name contributor. Email address there. Then we're going to pick a role, admin or contributor. So you can have multiple admins and multiple contributors if you wish. Two-factor authentication, active, and the password I'm going to paste in from here. Save user. There we go. Now we've got two users. We've got a contributor and an admin with these email addresses. So if we look at this new window, I'm going to put the password in there because it's in my buffer. And I'm going to log in with Connie's username, which was the email address. And when we first log in, we're going to need to enable two-factor authentication. So if we just move that, I'm going to use the Google Authenticator app for this. So I'm going to click on the plus and scan the QR code with my camera. There we are. We can accept that, and then we type in our code that the authenticator is providing. There we go. Logged in as Connie contributor. We can see we can no longer have access to users or firmware, but we can add devices, and if we pick a dummy ID, we can add that to a batch and save. We can view IoT hubs, but we can't see any of the secret details there. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Follow Quantique on YouTube, LinkedIn, and our other social networks listed in the description for more helpful guides.